Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Ensure products can be consumed by pregnant and lactating women to help meet their nutritional needs. Pregnant and lactating women should always follow the medical advice of their health care providers and consult their doctor if they plan on consuming more than one serving per day.
Take our lead.
Try a liquid nutritional drink like Boost or Ensure once a day. Do not rely on these drinks entirely, as their protein, phosphorus and potassium content is high. Consult a dietitian beforehand. Have several small meals instead of one large one. Watch cooking shows on television to tempt your appetite.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Can I mix Ensure milk powder in milk? Quora. Yes, but be aware that although Ensure is mostly glucose, it is not lactose-free. You will be getting an extra dose of lactose which may exceed your digestive system's capacity to hydrolyze it.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Complete, balanced nutrition. Ensure Original Powder is a source of complete, balanced nutrition for supplemental use with or between meals. It may benefit patients who have malnutrition, are at nutritional risk, are experiencing involuntary weight loss, or on modified diets. For oral use.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Milk products contain key blood pressure lowering nutrients, including calcium, potassium and magnesium. Milk products also contain a special type of proteins, called bioactive peptides, which have been shown to have a positive effect on blood pressure control, says Bordeaux.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.